Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Hotmail application on your phone. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Hotmail application, firstly open your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in Hotmail or Outlook and make a search. You're going to see the application displayed on the search result. Simply tap on an install button right next to the application to begin a downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. After installation process is completed, tap on an open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Hotmail application quickly and easily just in few steps. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Drop down the queries or feedback if you have any in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.